Hello, welcome back. You may have seen plenty of videos where people are unboxing new MacBook Air M2 and they are very excited about it. Well, not everyone has now 1,200 to spare for a new MacBook, and if you don't need your device for very demanding tasks, I think MacBook Air with M2 will still do the job. I used to work on 13-inch MacBook Pro for a couple of years, and it's been a workhorse, but recently I've realized that even with tasks like editing videos, or when I have open a few browsers, it starts overheating and the fans are working very loudly. So I grabbed a bargain and I got a MacBook Air M1, and in this video I'm gonna show you how to unbox it, how to transfer all your stuff from old device to the new one, and my first impressions. I've been working on this MacBook for the past month, or maybe even longer, for 2 months, and it's been a real pleasure. The battery keeps very good. So let's now start with the unboxing. As you can see, I've removed the foil just to check if it's well, I was too excited to have it in my hands. Yeah, it's a 2020 MacBook Air M1, 256 SSD, nothing special, just the base model. It's in space gray. Oh, let's open it, and yeah, it's got the usual foil. Carefully. It's so exciting. It's the second time I'm opening brand new MacBook, and the experience is, well, you can't compare it with anything. It's obviously got the original USB-C charging cable and a plug, and there is some stickers as well. Very nice stickers. So let's move this one on the side and open the beast. Unleash the beast. This is very satisfying. Beautiful display with stunning colors. Edge-to-edge glass. Fantastic. Let's start with the basic setup. Language, region, we are in United Kingdom. Obviously it's the end of the list. Yeah. We don't need accessibility. And let's connect to the network.
5 minutes later.
It takes so long to connect to the network, but yeah, here we are. Data and privacy, and migration assistant. Yeah, we want to migrate from the old MacBook. So first we need to connect both devices into power. Oh, forgot that the MacBook Air has only two USB-C ports from left hand side, so we'll need to get used to it. And now we cannot access the time machine, unfortunately. We encountered some issue, so I will have to plug in my old MacBook and migrate everything from the old MacBook to the new MacBook. Took a while to transfer everything, and unfortunately I forgot to record how it's gonna look, but you've got the picture how my MacBook Air M1 looks with the new macOS Sonoma. Thanks for watching. If you find this kind of videos useful, hit subscribe button and thumbs up to support the channel, and see you in the next one. Bye bye!